I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I want.
Hey super moms, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you and I welcome you to another cleaning motivational video. In today's video I'll be cleaning up this top load automatic washing machine. So actually before I started filming or recording this video, I had cleaned up this entire place, and even after cleaning you can see it was still quite dirty. I don't know, this room is like there is a lot of dust that comes into this room. Also this filter had not been checked for like a week or so, and it's quite embarrassing to look at. It was very dirty. So I will be cleaning up this wash machine, and also the smaller one, the semi-automatic one. So I like to do it at least once a month to clean up the entire machine. But for the lint filter, this one needs to be cleaned like after every 2 days also, because normally it collects a lot of lint, collects a lot of it. So I'm cleaning up that first, then I will go ahead and clean up the machine. So welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to all of you who have subscribed. God bless you so much. If you like this kind of content, motherhood content, cleaning content, be sure to subscribe. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload. Also like this video, goes a long way into recommending my videos to other moms. So and I am Lea Njoki. Kabla nisahau jina kuambia jina, I am Lea, and I'm so glad to be here with you guys. And let's start on this cleaning. So this is a knife and an old sock, and because that space is quite tricky to clean, so you cannot put your finger there, you cannot put anything. So that's why I have that knife. The knife will be able to I'll be able to penetrate that area using the knife, so that I can get rid of all that dirt. It took me a while. Remember, I've told you I've already worked on that area, but I realized still it needed some more attention. So when I have time, I like to do a thorough job, because I don't know when else I'll be able to come here and clean up this machine. So whenever I have an opportunity, be sure I'm going to clean it thoroughly. I will clean it, because the next time I come here, maybe it'll be next month. So let's get into the cleaning and some music too. And I appreciate you guys that you're here. God bless you so much. May the Lord expand your boundaries. May the Lord remember you and your families. And may He increase you in every area of your life.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, or to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there. I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there.
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So this is the end of the video. I have cleaned up both machines, and I was using vinegar and baking soda for the automatic machine, but for this other one I was just using the normal detergent, and they are clean now. So I hope you're inspired to check on your washing machine or whatever item that you may want to look at and clean it, maybe a space in your house. And I'm so glad to have you, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye. God's blessings to you and your families, and have a good one.